Hey guys, so today's video we're going to be doing a very easy berry toned fall makeup look. I'm going to be using all the makeup that I got in my Boxycharm. I just received my October box. If you are new here and you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription where you get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products at a combined price of no lower than $100. So this month's Boxycharm for me is a total value of, I don't know, I need to add it up. Let me go get my calculator. Yes, so this month's box is a value of $113. And you only pay $22 a month. But the theme of this month's Boxycharm is After Dark, which is perfect for October. It's Halloween month. So we have some really neat things in this box. I'm actually really excited about this one. So stick around if you want to see what I got in my Boxycharm. I'll leave some information down below on the new Boxycharm that they have. I guess it's a bigger Boxycharm now. It's called Boxycharm 2.0. So this one you would pay $25 a month and you would get over $125 value. So I'll leave all that information down below if you're interested in a bigger Boxycharm. I personally am happy with this Boxycharm, the $22 a month. It's been working out really well for me. I do love most of the things that I get in my Boxycharm. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link down below to this website and you guys can check it out. If you love makeup, it's a great investment. You've got a lot of skincare products too, so yeah, just want to mention that. If you are new here, I do upload beauty content Monday and Friday at 2, so don't forget to subscribe if you love makeup, beauty, and lifestyle videos. The first item that I'm going to use from my Boxycharm is the Touch in Soul Glass Skin Balm. This is a ultra hydrating priming skin balm that's supposed to melt into your skin and create like a ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. And this is $32. I love the packaging on this. This is so pretty. I'm really excited to try this out. Ooh, it smells really nice. So this is actually the top, the lid. It goes on like that. Oh, okay, I see. Alright, so I'm going to dip my finger in here. Ooh, it feels really nice. I'm excited that this is geared toward texture because seriously, I mean, if you've been here for a while, you know I struggle with the texture. Put the lid back on. I love this packaging. The only thing I don't like is that you have to dip your finger in there. I need to find some type of tool or brush to apply it, but otherwise, I'm already really liking this. It's setting into my skin and it's got a little bit of a sticky texture, but I mean, my skin looks really nice and healthy. I'm liking it so far. I've never really been blown away by Touch in Soul makeup products, but their primers are amazing. I love their primers. Now that my primer has set into my skin, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the shade Shortbread 200B. This foundation lays beautifully on top of this primer. I love it. So glad I used this foundation. For my bronzer today, I'm going to use my Chanel Cream Bronzer. Love this, combined with my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. One of my favorite combos ever to exist. I'm going to set everything in place by using my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. It's my trusty Kat Von D brush, which I just cleaned, by the way. I'm going to set my Chanel Cream Bronzer with my Girlactik bronzer and Cabo. This is a matte bronzer. This is perfect for a winter bronzer. I'm actually going to take my IT Cosmetics powder brush and dip a little bit in there. This is very pigmented, but it's an amazing setting powder for bronzers. For blush today, I'm going to use my Clinique Cheek Pop in the shade 13 Rosy. My newly cleaned Morphe brush. This is the M406. So the next item that we're going to use in my Boxycharm is the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. This is $16. It is to effortlessly tame and tint brows. It's a lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator that allows you to groom your eyebrows with no mess. Perfect to use over powder or pencil. I think I'm just going to use this product today so I can see what it looks like. I am in their shade Dark Brown. Ooh, that looks like it has a lot of product. Okay, so you do get a lot of product on the wand. I mean, I like it. You just need to be really careful when you put this on because you do get a lot of product. But it basically feels like eyebrow mascara. I mean, it's not bad though. Oh, and that's why we don't talk while we're doing our eyebrows. I wish the wand was a little bit smaller so I could get things a little bit more precise here. But I don't have any eyebrow pencil on. I just have this. I don't think the color is exactly right for me, but it doesn't look bad. I do like it. It's just a little bit difficult to work with, but I do feel like it's kind of brushed and groomed my eyebrows and made my natural eyebrow hairs stick out. So I like that. Definitely not a complete fail. The next item that we're going to use from our Boxycharm is probably my most favorite-ist Dose of Colors Blushing Berries Eye Palette, and this is $32. So this is the palette right here, and you get 5 eyeshadows. You also get a little brush right here, which I'm going to take this out, and I think I'll go ahead and use this brush today. You know what? No, this does not look like a nice brush. I'm not going to use that. This entire palette is matte, which I love. I love a good matte eyeshadow. I'm going to stick to just this palette to create this eye look so that it's simple and easy and we're not reaching for all those other palettes today. So I'm going to start with this pink shade right here. I'm going to use that as my transition shade. A little bit dusty, but they look very, very pigmented. I've never used Dose of Color eyeshadows before, so this is a first. Oh, that was really pigmented. These eyeshadows are blending out beautifully. I'm really, really liking this formula. I'm going to go into the next deepest shade right here, and I'm going to start deepening the eye look just a little bit. So that was a lot of work of blending and everything, but I am in love with this eyeshadow. So pretty. I know I'm going to be using this palette so much. I love the warm berry shades. In love with this palette. Just keep in mind that I had to really, really, really blend everything out. They blend really well. It's just with this pigmented eyeshadow, blending is the key to the eye look because I was blending for a good solid couple minutes there. The only thing that I wanted to say is that I wish they had a white matte shade in here that I could put into my inner corner. So I'm just going to use some glow powder, my highlight, to do that. So I'm going to use my Benefit Roller Lash liquid liner, and I'm going to draw on a cat flick. I'm going to use my Grandiose Extreme Mascara from Lancome, but I need to curl my eyelashes first. I really do like how this look is turning out. I really love the smoky berry shades all just meshed together. I love that. But I'm going to go in with the next item in our Boxycharm, which is a pencil. This is the Hollywood in Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. This is in the shade Purple. This is $7. So this is a wooden eyeliner pencil, so I'm going to warm it up on the back of my hand, otherwise it's going to be probably a little bit rough. Okay, so this seems like it's really nice and smooth. It didn't hurt or anything, so I'm going to use this on my waterline and see how it does. Hopefully it's not too harsh or anything. It didn't really have a lot of color payoff in my waterline, so I'm going to smudge a little bit of this on my upper lash line. I like it. Not bad. For $7, that's really great. I'm definitely going to try and use this in later eye looks and smudge it on the upper lash line and smoke out to make like an eyeliner effect. We'll see. I definitely have some thoughts on this that I could use in other makeup tutorials. For a pencil, this is not bad at all. Usually these type of products are very harsh and they actually are very scratchy and they don't apply well onto skin, but this one did, so pleasantly surprised by that. I'm going to go ahead and put my highlight on. I'm going to use my Focallure Glow Powder. This is in the shade Nova Light. I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush. I'm going to use this glow powder as an inner corner highlight as well. I'm going to line my lips before I go in with the last item in our Boxycharm. I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Lip Liner in the shade Pillow Talk. So the last item in our Boxycharm is the Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. I've never tried a lip plumping gloss, so we shall see. I really like that. There's not very much color in this lip gloss, but I like how it is with the Pillow Talk Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. I do feel like a cooling sensation in my lips. I do like it. So that is my finished look. And most of that is from my Boxycharm. I think my favorite thing from this Boxycharm is for sure this eyeshadow palette. These eyeshadow colors are perfect for fall. And I really like the matte formula. It's really easy to blend out and there is a lot of like powder kick up everywhere, but it is because it's so pigmented. So I really like the eyeshadows. They're really nice to blend out. They layer on top of each other beautifully. So I really like how this eye look turned out. I'm going to try and work with this pencil a little bit more to see if I can get a cool eye look with this. I think this is very promising. Love this primer. This is beautiful. The packaging threw me off a little bit at first because this is actually the lid and then this is the product. But I love how my skin looks. It looks so fresh and clean. I don't see a problem with texture, which is huge for me. I do like the eyebrow gel as well. I just wish that the applicator was a little bit smaller so that it would be a little bit easy to apply. But it worked. I was able to work with it. I mean, with this eye look, it looks fine. Like everything just blended together nicely. So I do like this and I think I'm going to work with this a little bit more. I like the lip gloss, especially on top of this lip liner. Really good duo there. So yeah, that is everything in this video. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look and everything that was in my Boxycharm. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you got in your Boxycharm this month, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.